Zed Wild here, press subscribe for more videos round and about Cornwall, United Kingdom. And it's 5th of December today, and we got a December gale going on today. Big surge waves, storm waves. St Michael's Mount over there. I'm in the shelter of my van, but especially for you, I'm going to get out of the van and you can experience the strong winds. It's actually stopped raining now. It was raining earlier very heavily. We're over at Marazion. There's Marazion, St Michael's Mount.